In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to your GoDaddy website. This can give a visual boost to your site, making it more engaging for your visitors. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to GoDaddy's homepage. You can do this by typing GoDaddy into your search engine or directly inputting the web address. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right-hand corner of your screen where you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click that. After clicking Sign In, you'll be directed to a login page. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials and proceed. If not, you'll need to create an account first. Once logged in, you'll land on your account's main dashboard. Now, navigate to the section labeled My Products or wherever your website management options are located. From there, you'll notice an option that says Websites. Click on that to view your available sites. You'll now see a list of your websites. Find the specific website you wish to manage and click on Edit Website. This action will take you to GoDaddy's Website Builder interface, a user-friendly tool for customizing your site. Once you're within the Website Builder, focus your attention on the menu located on the left side. You'll want to select the Add Section option here, which allows you to add new content or features to your website. From the selection of section styles that appears, choose one that suits your needs. For example, if you're looking to create a visual gallery, you might select Photo Gallery or another similar style. Go ahead and click on Add to place this new section on your site. Next, you'll want to locate the section you've just added. Click on it to start editing. In this section, you'll have the ability to add images, change text, and customize settings to your preference. Spot the prompt to change image and click it. At this stage, you have several options for sourcing your images. You could upload images directly from your computer, use the AI image generator for something unique, or select from iStock images conveniently available to GoDaddy users. Make your choice and click Insert to place the image into your section. Once you've inserted your images, you might want to customize them further. Click on Change Image if you need to swap it out or adjust settings such as cropping, alignment, and adding captions. You can even include links that visitors can click. Now that you've made your adjustments, it's time to preview your work. Take a moment to ensure everything looks just the way you want. When you're satisfied, all that's left is to click Publish to make these changes live to the world. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded and tailored images on your GoDaddy website. Happy site building!